This is a Negroni-Tini.
Negronatini!
Which is a combination of Negroni and a Martini that I am borrowing from our friends at the Fulton
He
restaurant.
straight up stole
here in
it
New York.
from the
Yeah,
Fulton. But we love it there so much, we have to be able to reenact it at home for when we go back up into the mountains next month. He's just studying ahead.
So,
What are you doing, honey? Tell the people.
So every Negroni, and most martinis for that matter, have gin. So I'm putting in...
Gin is just vodka with aromatics.
Yeah,
So
it's
if
like,
you vodka and you don't
juniper
like
flavored,
gin,
juniper flavored vodka.
it is.
Basically.
It's juniper and different aromatics.
So a
It's the same
Negroni
as
has gin, and then it has a bitter ingredient like Campari. And for the bitter ingredient here, we're using, this is green chartreuse,
It gives it a really cool color.
which is, it's its own thing. It's made by, I think it's made by monks. So then a Negroni has a sweetening, softening ingredient in it. Usually it's red vermouth. And for that, we're using maraschino liqueur, which is liqueur made from the marasca cherries and their pits. So it's not only sweet, but it's also has a little like bitterness kind of thing going on. It's very interesting, and it's, again, complex but softening, as opposed to the chartreuse. Which
Honey,
is,
did you study this hard in law school?
well,
Because you really,
I did pass the bar,
you
so
really
that
seem
happened.
to have taken this drink very seriously.
So you can keep, I'm serving it up in a coupe. You can keep, like a martini. You can keep those in the freezer, which is what I did. Or before you start making your drink, fill them with ice and a little bit of water, and then dump it out when you're about to serve your drink. But you just want really, really, really cold glasses, because martinis must be cold. And no offense to James Bond, but I like to stir a martini. If you shake it, then it gets all cloudy, and it doesn't look as pretty. If you stir it, it takes a little longer than shaking, but you get it just as cold, and then it keeps like that clear...
It stays more translucent,
Yeah.
right, honey?
What do they say? Don't bruise the gin.
You don't want to bruise the gin.
Yeah, if I'm making a drink that has all clear ingredients, I'll stir it instead of shake it.
You know it's a 1 hour show, right, babe?
1 hour on the cocktail, right?
For sure we're going to be a cocktail hour by the time you're done making it.
And then I'm going to garnish this. Instead of with, you would garnish maybe a lemon twist for a Negroni, I'm going to do olives. So it's like
It's
a real
first
martini.
course. Can I try?
You can try. Cheers.
Cheers! Giordane!
You like?
Delicious.